Okay, she's free. She's free. Free at last.
This thing is huge.
I know, styling like him.
Yeah.
No, mine wasn't as bad as everybody else. She's doing it.
Yep.
Yep.
Where's Cholo?
Cholo is sacked out. He's out cold. But
Oh my God.
Hey, I can feel the air on my face. Hi, Phyllis.
hi. Just peek in the driver's side. That's where Cholo is.
Hi, baby. Come on,
Are you
Cholo.
excited to see Mom? Look at that. Oh, he's woke up now. He woke up now.
Come on, Mama. What do you got on? Come here.
Phyllis bought him a shirt.
Well, I couldn't find a tux, so I figured, okay, maybe.
Hi, baby. Hi, Bubba. He's like, what's going on?
Yeah.
Hey.
This is the happy moment you've been waiting for. Yeah.
Here.
Got love.
Well, you gotta get the rest of it on her.
I like your shirt. I like you.
And you can't see it, but he's wearing a black bow tie too.
Yeah, I told her that. I told her about, we almost had him in the wedding.
Yes. Oh, thank you. My bad.
And look, Phyllis made you this.
You're silly. I look horrible. You're crazy.
Wait.
What are you doing?
This is a homecoming, and
Wow.
it's a renewing of your vows.
Miss you at Cholo.
Yeah.
I can't even breathe. You're so silly. We gotta go home. We have an hour.
You have an hour?
Oh, to get home?
Yes, I don't want to rip it. Thank you, Phyllis.
Yeah. Look at Cholo. He's so satisfied now. He's been. He's told it. Yeah.
Alright, so there's your purse. I got you some, a couple of favorites.
Oh, yummy. I said a Mountain Dew.
Okay.
Skittles.
Okay. One of you has to get in back. Sorry.
No, I'll get him back. Go ahead, sit up front.
No, it's okay.
No, really. Because Cholo can sit in the lap.
Okay. He went out back over to Phyllis's seat. Now he's confused.
Yeah. He's been the road warrior, and
Thank you. Thank you for waiting all this time.
what else
Sorry
would we
it took
do? I mean, like,
forever. She did the real criminals first.
wow. Okay.
She did. They have bracelets on that test anything that goes in their body.
Wow.
Like
Like,
it's stuck to their skin. Yeah.